Hello everyone and welcome to Cyphernomics. Today's video where we will be discussing an extremely controversial and disruptive topic: crypto will replace banking system. It's an age-old adage that change is inevitable, and with the digital revolution in full swing, it's only a matter of time when we see traditional methods of banking become obsolete. So let's jump right into our discussion. Firstly, let's take a brief look at what cryptocurrency stands for. It's a digital or virtual currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. It uses cryptography for security, making it almost impossible to counterfeit and double spend. Now, consider the banking system. It has been around since the medieval period, and its fundamental purpose has been to provide society with a safe place to store money, exchange currencies, and provide credit facilities. But, if we observe the current state of banking, it's riddled with inefficiencies, delays, and corruption. Transactions can take days to process, and there's always a chance of errors, high fees, or human error. With the advent of cryptocurrency, we see an entirely new way of transacting. It's faster, cheaper, and much more secure than traditional banking. The elimination of intermediaries and a decentralized structure makes it an ideal candidate for becoming the next level of banking. Cryptocurrency's underlying technology, the blockchain, makes it extremely secure and is practically impenetrable when it comes to hacking. It's a technology that allows for transparency, privacy, and tamper-proof records. This technology is changing the way we transact, making it impossible for anyone to forge or corrupt transaction records. So, why do I believe that crypto will replace banking? Well, the answer is quite simple. We have already started to see a massive shift towards digital money, and cryptocurrency is the next logical step. With the rise of crypto ATMs, online trading platforms, and the integration of blockchain technology into various industries, it's clear that the banking sector should brace itself for disruption. Additionally, crypto is already being used in numerous industries globally, from healthcare to real estate. It's changing the way we do business and invest our money. More people are jumping on board because of the anonymity and transparency it provides, making it ideal for those who don't trust traditional banking systems. Furthermore, the world is already facing a major shift in the job market, with roles transforming from manual labor to tech-based skills. Cryptocurrency is already creating a whole new world of jobs that didn't ever existed before. Time will how crypto will swap all banking sectors worldwide with decentralization, security which will give power to common people.